Today we are going to find the derivative of a rational function using a power rule. So let me write the power rule first. What is a power rule? If we want to find out derivative of x raised to n with respect to x, means d by dx of x raised to n, then it would be n times x raised to n minus 1. This is the power rule. This rule we are going to use here today. So first let us rewrite this function. We will write the denominator separately for each term. So x raised to 5 divided by x cube minus 5x cube divided by x cube plus 2x divided by x cube. Now let us simplify this. So x raised to 5 divided by x cube will be x square minus x cube and x cube we can cross out. So minus 5 and plus 2 divided by x square can also be written as 2 times x raised to minus 2. So our y is x square minus 5 plus 2 x raised to minus 2. Now let us apply this power rule here. So let us take derivative of y with respect to x. So dy over dx is equal to 2 times x raised to 2 minus 1. So 1 minus derivative of a constant is 0 plus 2 as it is minus 2 times x raised to minus 2 minus 1. Now derivative is done. We just need to simplify this. So dy over dx is equal to 2 times x. There is no need to write the 1 in the power. 2 times minus 2 would be minus 4 and x raised to minus 2 minus 2 minus 1 will be minus 3. So this is our derivative.